Alright, so we made up a little shelter. It isn't very much. And I probably catch a lot of crap on how I put it up, but you know what? It's a rainy day out here all day long, and I'm out in the middle of the woods. There ain't no crazy people out here but me. But I'm dry. It's time to cook up some food. This is Cast Iron Wednesday. This isn't the typical kind though. We're gonna do this out on the trail. I'm not too far outside of town, so I can still hear some cars and stuff. See about cooking some coffee up. Alright, so I want to take a quick moment and do a shout out, and that's for Quinn the Eskimo. Go check him out. He's a good old boy. I enjoy watching his movies and stuff like that, and he enjoys Canteen Cup Tuesday and cooking outside and doing all that kind of fun stuff. So yes, go check out Quinn the Eskimo. Being out here in the woods and listening to that rain hit the tarp, love that sound. Nice and peace and quiet. We're gonna cook up a meal. It's pretty wet out here today. It's not supposed to stop raining until 2 days from now. I don't care. It's Cast Iron Wednesday, baby, on the trail. I'm getting wet. We're gonna go check on that food, see how it came out. Cheers. Yummy. Not too bad at all. Especially if that biscuit would have cooked a little bit better. But it's still good. And the chicken, and the peas and carrots and bacon. That's good. That's hot. That's hearty. Yummy. That's it. I'm wet. That's Cast Iron Wednesday on the trail. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh yeah, by the way, the jacket that I'm wearing today is the Compass 360. I am bone dry from the waist down. About 29 bucks at Academy. Go check it out.
Man, I am so ready to head back to the house and put some dry drawers on.